A mini home built with bricklaying and reinforced concrete columns is a strong and durable small structure suitable for families or rental use. The construction begins with proper planning, including architectural drawings and structural design for safety and stability. The foundation is the most important part, as it transfers the load of brick walls and concrete columns to the ground. Soil testing should be done to determine the bearing capacity before excavation begins. Excavation is carried out according to the layout dimensions marked on the ground. After excavation, a layer of plain cement concrete, PCC, is poured to create a clean and level base. Reinforcement steel bars are placed for the column footings as per structural design. Concrete is poured into the footings to form a strong base for each column. Reinforced concrete columns are vertical structural members that carry loads from beams and slabs to the foundation. Steel bars are tied together with binding wire to form the column cage before shuttering. Column formwork is installed using wooden or steel shuttering plates. Concrete is poured carefully into the column mold and compacted using a vibrator to remove air bubbles. After pouring, columns are cured with water for at least 7 days to gain strength. Once columns reach sufficient strength, bricklaying work begins between the columns. Bricks should be soaked in water before use to prevent them from absorbing moisture from the mortar. Cement mortar is prepared with a proper mix ratio, commonly 1:4, cement to sand. The first brick course is laid carefully on the plinth beam to ensure proper alignment. A spirit level is used to check horizontal alignment of bricks. A plumb line is used to ensure the wall is vertically straight. Each brick is placed with uniform mortar thickness to maintain strength and appearance. Brick bonding patterns such as stretcher bond are commonly used in mini homes. Proper bonding ensures load distribute.